election are just around the corner. And today, I want to talk to you about something crucial, wise voting. Because your vote isn't just a piece of paper. It's your power, your voice, and your future.
But let's be real. How many times have we seen people vote based on popularity, fake promises, or even pressure from others? That has to change because bad leaders aren't elected by bad people. They are elected people who don't vote wisely.
So, how do we make sure we're making the right choice?
Research, research, research. Don't rely on social media trends or catchy slogans. Look into the candidate backgrounds, their track records, and most importantly, their plans for the future. Have they kept their promises in the past? Do they truly care about the people? A good leader is not just about words, but in action.
Avoid the influence of fake news and vote buying. Let's be honest, fake news spreads faster than the truth. Some politicians will do anything to win, but don't fall for it. Verify information before believing or sharing it. And if someone tries to buy your vote, remember, selling your vote means selling your future. A few bucks today could cost you years of bad leadership.
Think beyond yourself. Vote for the country. Voting isn't just about the personal interest. It's about the future of your family, your community, and the generation to come. Ask yourself, will this candidate make life better for everyone? Not just a select few?
Your vote is your weapon against corruption, incompetence, and poor leadership. Use it wisely. And this election, don't just vote, vote smart. Vote for a leader who truly deserves your trust, because the future is in your hands.
Hope this message inspires you to make the right choice. Find this helpful, share with others, and let's spread awareness together. See you at the poll. Vote wisely. Your future depends on it.